John Coyne from LINTEC of America, and today we're at EFI's new manufacturing facility, and we're installing our E2100 optically clear scratch-resistant polyester as well as our VisionControl films throughout the entire building. If you have a conference room with clear glass and zero privacy, then we have the solution for you.
Printed on a VUTEk GS UV LED printer. It lets light in and it still provides privacy.
Completely customizable. You can go from optically clear, almost like you painted on the window, to this frosted look for the privacy that you need.
If you install it properly, it'll look like you printed directly on the glass. And 6 months, a year, 5 years from now, if you wanted to change it out, you could take it down, do it again, save the glass. LINTEC of America was formed in 2001. In 2007, the first UV inkjet printers came out. We thought it was a great fit because we're one of the best polyester adhesive coaters in the world. So when it came out, we worked with EFI VUTEk and we produced optically clear digital window graphics. We've been selling this product for about 11 years and it's in offices and retail shops all over the world.
With all those installations, we have a plethora of experience and knowledge when it comes to installing window films. And our films have proven that they can last by being up for several years without damage or curling. LINTEC specializes in class 10,000 clean wood-made materials, so materials are quite clear and the quality on these materials are second to none.